at my video if you like to play. I like this one. This is my favorite. Oh, yeah, when you do. It's my favorite game. Mine too. Gosh. Ouch. It hurts. See, I'll beat you 5. So I will go to get it. Yes, I did it. Where is it? I can't yet see it. Okay, I'll get it. Ouch. Ouch. It hurts. Don't go to me. Where's the lover? I think it's nothing. You. Oh my gosh. You see, it's the perfume, but who did this? That was Birdo from Super Mario Ball. What is it? I made it. Oh, thank you so much. I think you have a friend though. I will love it. Alright, ouch! Steve, you hurt me. Stop! I get a heart. So get. Hey, you do this. You're so nuts. I don't know. On. Thank you. Ah ha ha ha. I hurt you. So I get. Oh no! Why you do today? You can't play that. I don't know. It's just gonna play if you know. Attack! Got him! I did it. Where's some more? I have more. So much. Get away! Get away! Get away! See, I told you, he is too strong. Oops, sorry, I just hurt yourself. Alright, thanks for watching.